As I had told you earlier, that one of the main application of half-life time period is to find out that how much of a substance is left after a period of time if that substance is radioactive in nature. So based on this, two problems we will be solving. Alright, one based on carbon C-14 dating. Carbon C-14 dating is the process by which we find out the age of any fossil fuel. By age, I mean to say time, and the time you have seen is expressed as T is equal to 2.303 divided by K log A0 by A, or R0 by A, or N0 by A, or initial concentration divided by final concentration. So this is time period. For finding out this time period, we need to get the value of K. So if we are given half lifetime period, we can find out the value of K, and for desired number of period of time, we can find out how much sample is left, or if the percentage sample left is given to us, we can find out the time. So now let us see two numericals based on it. So one by one we will do. This numerical is question number 4.14 of NCERT. Chemical kinetics. This numerical is based on half-lifetime period. The statement of the problem is the half-lifetime for radioactive decay of C-14 decays. The half-lifetime of C-14 decay is 5,730 years. An archaeological artifact contained wood only had 80% of C-14 in a living tree, or in a living tree 80% C-14 was found. C-14 is the radioactive isotope of carbon. The question is estimate the age of the sample. So I would write estimate the age of the tree or sample. So we have been given the value that initial concentration by the fraction or percentage of the sample, where this is initial concentration and this is final concentration, is equal to 80 by 100. How? Because 80% sample was left. So this fraction, that means initial concentration and final concentration, the ratio of that is the fraction 80% is given. We are also given T half is equal to 5730 years. So we can find out the value of K by using the equation 0.693 by T half. So will be equal to K will be equal to 0.693 divided by 5730. This will be per year. This value we can calculate it will come out to be 1.21 into 10 to the power -4 per year. Now we have to find out the time period. So again we can write K is equal to 2.303 by time period will be equal to log n0 by n. But this value is given here. So we can write value of K, which we had found out, 1.21 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to 2.303 by T log, if n by n0 is 80 by 100, then n0 by n will be 100 by 80. So time period will be equal to 2.303 into 10 to the power 4 divided by 1.21 multiplied by, this will become log 2, log 100, so it will become 2, and this will become minus. Since it is in tens value, so 1 point something will come, and that point something will be nothing but the log value of log 8, which is 0.9031. So now it is a simple calculation, and if you calculate, T will come out to be 1844 years is the age of the tree. Answer. Now you can just have a look into the solution, and then you can take a screenshot, and then we will start the next question based on similar kind of concept but different type of application. Now let us see the problem 4.17. During a nuclear explosion, one of the product is strontium. -90 is the mass, with half-life time period with T half is equal to 28.1 years. If 1 microgram of strontium 90 was absorbed in the baby's bone in place of calcium, then how much SR90 will be left after 10 years and 60 years. So we have been given initial concentration as 1 microgram, and we have to find N at t equal to 10 years. This is given, and N at t equal to 60 years. Let time period be equal to t, t10 and t60. So we know that k is equal to 0.693 by t half. This will be equal to 0.693 by 21.1 years. So k will come out to be 0.02466 per year. Now we'll put the value and get the answer for n. We know that this value k is equal to 2.303 by t, say at 10 log. N0 is 10 to the power 6 minus 6 gram, is nothing but 10 to the power minus 6 gram by n is equal to 0.02466. Now you find the value of n here, that's it. This n we have to find out. Same is the case here, k is known to us, and 2.303, this will become 2.303 by t at 60 years will be equal to log 10 to the power minus 6 by n. Now it's all mathematics, we can solve it. If the problem statement is clear, then I can erase and I can start solving from the top again. So if I have to find out n or this t, so t is known to us 10 years, so we'll put 10 over here, and then this n we have to find out. So all the term we can take that side. This will become 2.303 by 10 log 10 to the power minus 6 by n equal to 0.02466, and this will become also equal to 0.02466. So we are doing it for 10 years, and here we are doing for 60 years. So this will become log 10 to the power minus 6 will become minus 6 only, and minus log n will be equal to, this whole term will go this side, so will become 0.02466 into 10 by 2.303, or we can write minus log n will be equal to 6 plus whatever this value will be. This value is 0.1071. So we can write n is equal to nt log minus 6.1071. So if I do the complete calculation, this will be like this. We know that the value characteristic cannot become negative, so we have to make it positive. To make it positive, what we will do? We will take minus 7 plus 7 minus 6.1071. So this will be nt log 7 bar point, value of this much we will find out. Point 8929. Now we will see the value of this much in log table, from log table or NT log table rather. This value will come out to be 7.796 10 to the power minus 7, or we can write 0.7796 10 to the power minus 6 gram, or 0.7796 microgram. Now everything is same in this. What change we have to make here? A small change can reduce our time for calculation. Here instead of 10, we will have to put 6. So where the effect will be there? Where is the effect of putting 6 over there? That we can find out, or we can do it ourselves also. What we will do is minus log 6 minus log n will be equal to 0.02466 into 60 divided by 2.303. Similarly, minus log n will be equal to 6 plus whatever this value will be. This value is coming out to be 0.6424. So n will be nt log 6 minus 6.6424. But characteristic cannot be negative, so what we will do is we will make it like this: minus 7 plus 7 minus 6.6424. So we'll write this as nt log of 7 bar plus this value will come out to be 0.3575. So So we will see the NT-log value from NT-log table. If you see NT-log table for this value, this is coming out to be 2.228, 2.278, 2.278 into 10 to the power minus 7 gram, or 0.2278 10 to the power minus 6 gram, or 0.2278 microgram. Now, from where will you get this value? NT-log table. If you will see your NCERT book, if you will see your last few pages of NCERT book, then log and NT-log both can be seen. See, if I have to find out NT-log for 0.3575, so I will see 0.35 under 7 is 2275, and then mean difference of 5. Mean difference of 5 is 3, so 3 is added, so it becomes 2275 plus 3, so 2278, and 1 decimal will put here, so 2.278 10 to the power minus 7. Alright, so this table which we have to use. This table will also be provided to you in the examination, but you have to ask for it. Alright, so 2 numericals we had done based on half-life time period. We had done numerical based on the first order integrated rate equation. So in this way we will be solving the exercise problems also, numericals also, along with the theory part. So I am making small nuggets of each small topic so that there is no mix match. So there will be one crisp topic for one video. So in this way you can revise better whenever required. So you can always go back and revise. So paragraph by paragraph, line by line, I am making elaborated videos. Alright, with the problem solving. Now see, what happens is, in board exam no question comes out of NCERT book, but there are certain institutions which tries to show you that there are questions which are like beyond the scope of any book other than that particular institutions. What they do is they make some questions of their own and they do the back calculation to get the answers. Alright, including some kind of mathematical trick, because that kind of job they have been given, they are provided such kind of a job, they are asked to prepare such kind of a question which students cannot crack easily, and then only will feel like moving on to such kind of institutions for coaching, as such coaching. But if you will ask the students, those who qualify competitive examinations, most of them, those who qualify the competitive examinations, are those who have never gone for any coaching centers as such, but after they qualify, these coaching centers, they approach them and they bribe the children for agreeing that they have done some kind of coaching from those institutions. So if you can focus on the base at first, then definitely you can reach to the space also. But today if you avoid the base, assuming that finally when you will go to the space, then you will learn the base also, it will become difficult. So at this stage, whatever pebbles you are getting on your path, please pick it up. And I have seen in my lifetime or in my career that the students, those who focus on NCERT book, they crack all sort of competitive examinations, including the prestigious UPSC exam too. So NCERT book is the best book, and there are many solutions available that also you can see, but then apply your own brain to solve problems. There is no harm in going for series of tests, but first of all, ensure one thing, be perfect in that, and then go for the other thing. All right, thank you.